These issues and problems have really plagued this massive market for a long time. What measures are being undertaken right now?
Right. So regulators of China's bond market, including the interbank market and that of the Shanghai Stock Exchange, are looking into some potentially problematic practice by some of China's bond underwriters. So issues under scrutiny include, the unusually large gap existing between bonds trading in the primary and secondary market, and also excessively low underwriting fees charged by some Chinese brokerages. So previously, regulators have actually looked into some of the underwriting businesses of ICBC. For problems I just mentioned. And back in 2021, Bank of Ningbo has also been suspended from business for a while for suspected violations. So in China, what's back to the price gap, the gap is pretty huge. For example, the coupon of bonds trading in the primary market can be tens or even hundreds of basis points below that's trading in the secondary market. Some cash-draped Chinese enterprises have been found to, subscribe to their own demand to inflate, subscribe to their own bond to inflate demand, to create, a false false institutional interest in their paper. So the regulators obviously are trying to figure out what's actually happened and will try to come up with some solution.
What are the broader implications of this when it comes to looking at the overall onshore bond market?
It's just another example highlights the challenges faced by investors looking to invest in the country's market. As you mentioned, it's the second largest in the world. It's worth $2.1 trillion. It's a huge place for Chinese corporates to raise debt capital. But at the same time, it's riddled with problems, from inflated credit rating to a lack of supervision and price manipulation. It shows the regulators that there's a lot of room for improvement, in terms of management. So what's worth noting is foreign investors currently only account for 1% of the total market. That means, unless there's a significant improvement in oversight and the fundamentals, foreigners are unlikely to increase their investment in the market.